Hey guys, sorry I couldn't be here in class today. I kind of wanted to show you guys what's going to happen. So you'll get this set of directions in your packet, and it says label the board game. You can read through, and it tells you that up to 5 people can play, but it does work better in groups of 3 or 4. Since we have 9 students in class, I just kind of figured 3 groups of 3. If you guys would rather do it, 1 group of 4 and 1 group of 5, that's fine. But it does work better for 3 or 4 players at a time. All the directions you need are on this piece of paper. Every one of your bags will have the directions with it. It also has an explanation of each of the steps of the cell cycle and of mitosis that we talked about in class on Thursday. So fill that out. So then finally you get the cell cycle game, and it basically just says, like, this is what's going to be happening during the game. Just read through and it kind of explains everything. All right, the main pieces of the game that you're going to want to keep track of. You have this card. So the question cards is how people get to draw more cards or take extra actions. So then the pick a card pile and the discard pile. You guys are going to spend the first few minutes kind of creating the game board. So by filling out these openings here, saying this is the checkpoint that you need to reach to keep going from G1 to S and finally into mitosis. Okay, you'll all be your own type of cell, so you can pick your own little player cards. And then some of the cards you're trying to get, your cell now has enough nutrients to go on to G1, or some of the questions you might have to answer so the person next to you draws. A series of steps in which a cell produces 2 identical daughter cells. That would be the cell cycle, so I'm looking for that answer when I quiz somebody else. Okay, if you have any questions about the cell cycle or about how to play the game, just send me an email. Thank you.